Alright guys, a quick one here. I'll detail how to check if you can monetize your Instagram account. So if you have an Instagram account and you want to check whether you can monetize it and make money from your Instagram, then this video is going to walk you through how to easily check Instagram monetization, whether you are qualified for it or not. So if none of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Literally, you can make money on Instagram if you are qualified for it. So to check this, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Once you open the Instagram app on your phone, this could be on Android and could be on iPhone. Then once you open it, go ahead and click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then once you click on your profile icon at the bottom right, first, you need to make sure you turned on professional mode on your Instagram account. So if you want to turn on professional mode on your Instagram account, check my other videos on how to enable professional mode on Instagram. Then after that, go ahead and click on the three lines at top right. On the settings and activity page, you want to scroll down the page. Just keep scrolling until you get to more info and support. Under more info and support, locate and click on account status. Once you click on account status, then you should see whether you can monetize your Instagram. You can see monetization is checked. So that shows I can easily monetize my Instagram account. Now, if you click on monetization, then you should see you are able to monetize. You are currently following all policies and guidelines related to your monetization tools. Then you can see branded content, current policy violation I have no. So if you have any policy violation here, you will not be able to monetize your Instagram content. And that's why you see here that I can now monetize my Instagram account. So that is basically how to check if you can monetize your Instagram account. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.